You are with me every day. In my times of pain, you never leave me in vain. I'm reminded of your love I can't deny. Jesus, Jesus,
Jesus, you are my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Whom shall I be afraid? Jesus, you are the rock of my foundation. You are the joy of my life forevermore.
During my trials, keep me sweet, oh Lord, keep me closer to you. In my victories and in defeat, you give me strength to endure it. Oh, I'm reminded it's only in you, Jesus, I am safe and I'm secure.